The secret of Socrates. Principle 5, get the other person to say yes, yes as quickly as possible. When someone says no, a sequence of neuromuscular reactions occur, putting them on the defensive. Expressing yes maintains an open and welcoming mindset. Never begin a conversation on a point where you disagree with your counterpart. Always begin by stressing the points on which you agree on. Make it clear that you are both working toward the same goal. Your disagreements are in manner, not in intent. Get the other person to say yes as quickly as possible. This gets the individual moving in the affirmative direction, where there is no withdrawal. Our opponent is now more welcoming and receptive. Next time you disagree with anyone, challenge yourself to convince them to agree on at least 2 points before you both offer your points of view. Making it clear straight on that you share the same end goals can help to set the tone for the conversation. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 3, How to Win People to Your Way of Thinking. Subscribe, like, follow for more.